Yeah, good day to you, my listeners, my viewers out there. You're welcome to Mikey's FX once again. This is Mikey's FX Academy. It's a channel where I post daily videos on what is actually happening in the forex market, especially the synthetic indices like the volatility, step index, jump indices, boom and crash, and the likes. Now, I posted a video yesterday about volatility 251x. That's when the price gets to a particular zone, it will start selling and all that. And I made a thorough explanation on certain levels yesterday. Now, I want to do a recap because I said there is an order, a sell order left behind here. You see this indecision candle, there's a sell order here. I said when the market starts selling on this level, I will do a recap of what happened. Then my stop loss above, above this candle was something I posted yesterday. I don't know if I can also do a review or a post on that market, just a little touch on it. Now, as you can see, the market just place it above this high, this swing high, just in case the price struggles to that spot. So I'm looking at a higher lower high, then price coming down to do another lower low. So we are still watching the market. I'm still watching the market. If this market executes, I will actually come back and show you a video on how the trade was taken. So it actually came to the level I said it will get to, and here we are. Here is the result. It just started selling. This is the candle that tested the order here. This is this is how the market came in. It was somewhere around here. The price was somewhere around here yesterday. Now see what happened. We have the first touch, the second touch, and the market has already been triggered. The sell is already active. It has already activated and it's selling right now. Because as you can see, if you look closely, you see that this is it. This is a level the price has been trying to break through. This is the first touch. This is our first touch here. The price came here and it was activated here. That's our first touch. It was activated here. This is the first touch activated. Then the price came back again. Came back to support to gather momentum. This is the mini support here. It came back to support this support level. Came back, then went back again. Buyers tried to push the market back to that same level. They tried to push the market back to the same level and it was rejected, and now another push again, try to break through. The price keep getting rejected. Now as you can see, the market is coming down. It's coming down to support. So let's see what happens. But I know the market is going to go down. The market is actually going to go down to this level, because if you look at it from the 4 hours time frame, let me take these guys out. You see what the market is doing. The first push that triggered the sell here, it came down. Second push came down. Now this one now, this third push now came to clear stop loss. This is stop horns, came to click away stop loss, like liquidate those sellers that their stop loss are tight. Naturally, if you are trading on this level, your stop loss is supposed to be far away from this order block. This is the main order block. This is it. So your stop loss is supposed to be at least 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pips away, precisely on this high. So that is it. Stop loss is supposed to be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pips away. Let's look at it like this is the order block, and your stop loss should be around this is 10 pips. Let's say this is 10 pips now, 10 pips away from the entry or the order block, because the market makers may want to come and take away people's stop loss, because majority of traders who are trading on this level may want to put their stop loss on just a very tight stop loss on this level, like this, maybe just within this order, this little indecision candle here, just within this range. And as you can see, if my stop loss was to be on just on this range, hoping that when the market gets to this level, it will just tap it and start selling like it did the first time. Look at what happened the first time. No, you know, this is the range where the order block is. Look at what market did. It tested it and started selling off, then it was rejected and went back to that same level. Oh, the market went back to the same level. The market went back to the same level, tested the same zone, the same level, even a bit lower, and came down all the way to support. Now there was another push again by the buyers, and this time around they pushed it a bit higher than the previous entry. Now see, if my stop loss was to be on top of this order block, if my stop loss was supposed to be on top of this indecision candle which I picked as my order block, see what would have happened to me. I would have been kicked out of the market, though I did not take this trade. I don't know what happened. I overslept or something. I was so weak and tired, so I had to go to bed early, and I just woke up now to look at what is currently happening, because I said I would do a review or a recap of if the market starts selling and all that. So hence I'm currently doing this video now. Now, as you can see, the market has moved up to clear those people who their stop loss are on top of, you know, this order block. As you can see, on top of this candle, naturally your stop loss is supposed to be at least 10 pips away from your entry, minimum 10 pips. That one you would have been safe. So this is it. The market is currently selling, so we are looking at pushing. Because if we look at it from the 4 hours, let me take these guys out. If you look at the market from the 4 hours time frame, you see the market is trying to do something, you know, very significant, very common. As you can see, this is, let's just do it this way. Looking at it from the trend line level, let's look at it from this picture. If this is a trend line now, let's say price is respecting this trend line down to the downside. As you can see, this is what is actually happening. Price is respecting the trend line, so let's assume that this is a trend line. Now the price is respecting the trend line. If I'm to take this trend line, or let me do it this way, let me use the channel line. Now let's look at it from the channel line. If this is the channel line, look at what is happening. Look at what price is actually doing. Let's take it this way. Can you see what is happening right now? Now the market is going to come down. Price is actually doing this now, coming down to this level to give us a lower low. Then it's going to go up now from this lower low, give us another. That is, if this high is not taken out, this one is not taken out at all. If these guys, no, this level is not broken, this level is not taken out, then we're going to see something like this. We're going to see something like this, you know, price coming this way to do this thing, then continue selling to the downside, just as you can see. If this level is taken out, if this one is not taken out, let's say this level now is not taken out. If this level is not taken out like this, let's say this level now, we have something like this, and this level is not taken out to give us a new lower low, then we're going to see something like this. We're going to see a reversal of the market. You know, that is how the market move, you know. Sometimes it gives us something like this, then we'll see something, we'll now see something like this, a retest on this level, the price will come down, come retest this level, and start, you know, buying up again, So this is a pure or critical example of, you know, how this market is structured. Yeah, so we are currently selling, so we are looking at price coming to take these lows, price coming to attack these lows, you know, and sweep this level. So my take profit will be here, my first TP will be here, my first take profit will be down here. Then once this low is taken out, I'll look at my second TP around this level. So I'll still do around this level now. My take profit will be around this level. I'll still do a recap on that. You get, so this will be my second take profit, and my final TP will be in these lows. This is my final take profit. So this where I'll be targeting. Actually does respect other block, respect certain levels, before it starts selling or buying. So it respects certain levels. The market don't just start moving when there is no confluence. It respects certain confluences, like looking at it from the hourly, like the 1 hour time frame where I marked yesterday. Exactly what happened yesterday. This was where my order was here. My order was here. I marked this level, and as you can see, the price actually came, and the entry was triggered. Then stop loss hunt came up. Stop loss supposed to be above this 10 pips away, and stop loss hunt came up and took away those stop losses that were just placed just below, just a bit below this candle, and you see market started selling up. So I will still do a review or a recap on the level the market got to, because I know it's going to give me a lower low, a low that is lower than this. This is it, where the market is headed. Giving me this level. So I'm going to see a low. This low will be taken, then a new low will be formed. This low will be taken, this low will be taken out, then a new low will be formed. A new low within this range will be formed. So that is actually the main target. Although the price will struggle a bit here, because this is a mini support zone. Now we're going to see a little bit push. It's like consolidate. The market is currently looking like a consolidation picture. If you can see, it's going up, down, up, down. So we want this level to be broken. Then we'll actually know where the thing is headed. You see, it's up, down, or this is triple touch on the top side, and the same picture, the same scenario on the downside. So this is it. So once this level is broken to the downside like this, when we see something like this breaking down, we'll see a retest on this, and it will start selling off or something. Market will come down here and start doing its thing to the downside. So this is what we are looking at. So let's see how it goes. At the end of the day, we'll actually know where this market is headed. So let's wait. We'll have to wait. We have to be patient. Forex is a patient game. We have to be patient. We have to wait and wait and wait and wait and see what what will actually happen. Now remember, the market is the general trend. The general trend is a selling trend on the daily time frame. If you look at it on the daily time frame, the current direction of the market is currently selling. Let's look at it from the daily. This is the daily. Market has been buying for some time now, and this is a major resistance zone. Looking at it from the daily time frame, this is a major resistance zone, and whenever the market gets to this resistance zone, it will sell to a level. You see the level now, it will sell to this level. Whenever the market gets to the resistance zone, look at the multiple touches. As you can see it now, we have this first touch, the market came down here, it sold down, it sold all the way down to this level. It sold all the way down to this level, and the market got rejected from that support, and we have another push from the push to the top side, and see what happened. The market got to this level and it was rejected. Another rejection, tells you the sellers are not, they are not playing. They really want to push the market to the downside. And what happened? The market finally broke this level of resistance. The resistance was taken out. After resistance was broken, the market started selling to the downside. Now the buyers finally pick up the pace and push the market again. One more push, push the market again, and it started buying off again. Market bought to that same resistance level, the previous resistance, which has been holding for a very long time. You see 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, you know, multiple touches. Now the market has come to this level after a long period of time. This was the last time the market got to this level was this is 28th of July 2024. That was last year, July 2024, and it sold all the way down. Then the buyers pushed the market again to this level. This is January 25th 2025, and see, for a very long, after a very long time, the market got to this level. And what is happening now? The order that has been here, you know, by the sellers, the order that has been placed here by sellers, you know, strong supply. This is a strong supply zone, and it's an old zone that has been placed here by sellers. Was also activated to push the price to the downside. So we are waiting for the market to actually do its thing. Remember what I said yesterday, the mini break of structure gave us this up push. You know, the structure is this mini break of structure. If you're just in this video, you can actually, you know, go back to the one I posted yesterday, the previous one I posted before this one. Now look at what happened yesterday. I told you we have a mini break of structure. If you go to the 4 hours, it will be very obvious and clear for you. You know, this is it. The market came into the fair value gap. This is the fair value gap. Fair value gap is also like an advanced support and resistance zone. It's an imbalance in the market where price will come and fill, you know, those areas and start moving to the direction it was supposed to go, which is it was buying before. As you can see, the market was buying and it created an imbalance here, fair value gap here. But with this mini break of structure, because if I go to the 4 hour time frame, you see that the break of structure is obvious. On the daily, you will not see it clearly. Now this is it. This is a mini break of break of structure on the 4 hours. Look at it. A break of structure and a fair value gap was created. You know, an imbalance was created for price to come and refuel, which actually happened. Price came back, retraced into it, tapped into the fair value gap and starts, you know, buying, pushing to the upside. But you see, price started respecting this trend line that was created here. Price started respecting, and when it got to this level, started, you know, pushing to the downside. So we are looking at the market, you know, coming down to sweep these lows, to come back to this same fair value gap, or to take it out. So we are still going to wait. Forex is, like I said, is a patient game. You must wait till the end and see what will, you know, happen at the end of the day. You get. So that is it, guys. Yeah, if you are new to this channel, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, you are welcome to Mikey's FX Academy. Yeah, a place where you can actually get daily tips. You can actually learn how to trade the synthetic indices, the major forex, and the likes, you know. And I have online and physical classes where you can actually come learn how to do, you know, how to take trades, how to understand the major forex market, how to understand what is happening in the forex market, understand the candlestick pattern, what is actually happening in the chart, why the market goes up and down and all that. When you come to my classes, you get value for your money. It's a sure bet. I promise you, you'll get value for your money, because you actually understand, you know, certain things, why the market is, you know, doing its thing, why it's doing what it's doing, why the market is selling, why the market is buying. Certain things you need to know. I have physical classes, I have online classes. If you cannot come physically and you want to be guided online, I will be available to guide you anytime, any day. So I will see you in my next video. Do have a good one. Stay blessed.